There are people out there turning stuff like this, and this into hundreds of dollars every single weekend. So I'm sure you're asking, what are we talking about here? This isn't selling stuff off the back of a truck, at least not quite. What we're talking about is freebie flipping, where you take free stuff people want to get rid of, but they just don't want to go through the hassle of trying to sell it, and we're turning it into cash in our pocket because we're putting in the time to sell it with no cost to us. Think of it like e-commerce, but without having to pay for inventory, so you can pocket way more profit. This can easily scale into a weekend side hustle that can make you $500 a weekend or more if you live in a bigger city. So if you have some time to spare on the weekends and you need some extra cash to pay for rent, this is one of the simplest hustles you can use, and I'm going to show you exactly how it all works. To start, you're going to head to the top classified and secondary marketplace sites for your area. Typically, the top ones are Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. Then we're going to go to the search bar and just type in free. And now's where all the work begins. We're going to go through all the listings to find items that look like they're in not too bad condition and should be able to sell for $25 or more, so it's worth the time. We don't want super damaged items unless fixing things is part of your skill set. We want products that with some light cleaning could look like a good deal or look like a brand new item. Some items that move quickly are electronics, furniture, contractor type supplies, baby toys, baby books, and more. If you can't find a lot on Marketplace, search for local freebie or free groups for your city on Facebook. You'll often be able to find tons of things not directly listed on Facebook Marketplace. When you find something you like, we're going to send the product listing owner a message just like this. Once you get a confirmation back that the product is still available, prepare your listing. You want to list on every classified and marketplace site that's local to you, so that way you have the listing ready to go once you pick up your inventory. If you want to start getting replies really quickly and test the market, list the product with a stock image just to start, and then change the picture to the actual product once you've picked it up, cleaned it up, and you have it ready to go. Here's a quick tip to maximize your profit. When you're picking up a product, don't be afraid to ask if they have anything else lying around that they've been trying to get rid of. Or ask if there's anything they've been trying to get rid of that they already had listed and offer them an extremely reduced price. That way you can pick up some super cheap inventory or even more inventory without having to take multiple trips out to pick up products. Now, when listing your product, you want to make sure you have as much detail as humanly possible inside the listing. That way you don't have to deal with tons of questions. The weight, the sizing, the features, tons of pictures, and even videos of the product will all help make sure that you don't have to field hundreds of messages just to get your product sold. Now, another quick tip if you want to move your products quickly. The quickest path to selling your product is to get the most eyeballs on your product. So to do this, join every single buy, sell, trade, and local community in your area and list the products in there or mention that you have the products available, as well as placing them on Marketplace and other classified sites. You can often find people who don't normally scroll through Facebook Marketplace in these groups, but you'll also find people who are searching for specific products that you can either scout for them and make a profit really quick, or that you can say, hey, I have this product, and you can sell it to them directly. So that's all there is to making $500 a weekend as a simple side hustle that anybody could do. Now, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe so that way we keep making videos just like this. And of course, if you have any questions about how to execute on all this, drop them in the comments below. That's what I'm here for.